Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to install IPTV Smarter Pro by browser. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you need any IPTV subscription, you can contact me at WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number available in the video description. Let's start the video. First open your Google browser, then click on search and search for IPTV Smarters Pro. Wait a second. After that, open the official website of IPTV Smarter Pro. Here you will see the downloader link of IPTV Smarter Pro. Click on it and install it. Now you can see that I have installed the app. Click on API code. Now you will need a username and password to add your playlist. If you can't have, you can contact me at WhatsApp and I will provide you. Thanks for watching.